Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you are facing this issue guys, we can't sign into your account. So this issue basically comes when your profile is corrupted. So as you can see here, I'm also getting this error. So how to troubleshoot this issue, I'm going to show step by step how to troubleshoot this issue. So first of all, we need a SID number in order to identify that what is the security identifier of our user profile right now. So close this out, just open this command prompt. So as you can see here, it is showing the temporary profile is showing here. So type here cmd. You can run the cmd as admin guys, and we need, you can see here, this is a temporary profile, it is showing up. So we have to check all the SID number of our users. So we need to type here the command wmic user account space get name comma SID, and once you have it enter, you need to identify. As you can see guys, this is my user, the actual user. So we need to copy this into the notepad so that we can identify this. So open the notepad, simply notepad.exe, and simply paste it here. So this is the SID number. You can look for the user wise here, and most of the scenarios 1001 is the correct user. Okay, now this one is the administrator 500. If you have that, you need to select this account, and name are here, you can see, and this is the SID number. Okay, so once you have identified that the SID number, just note it in the notepad and simple open the registry here. We can open the run command here also and type here regedit and hit OK option and hit yes option when the prompt opens. Now in here guys, we need to navigate through the HKey local machine. Okay, this is the correct path, you can see on the screen as well. Then we need to double click on the software, then scroll down, look for Microsoft, double click on it. Now we need to look for Windows NT in a W series. Let me open it in a bigger profile. So we have to look in a W series, Windows NT here. This is a Windows NT, double click, then double click on the current version, and then we need to look for profile list. Okay, in a P series. You can see here, this is the profile list. Now these are the SID numbers guys, as you can see here, and this is the notepad. So my SID number ending up with 1001, as you can see, and I have two SID number here. So this one is the temporary SID number here. How to identify? Go to profile image path here, this option. As you can see here, it is showing up the temp, and if I go to the C drive, C directory here, then this PC operating system drive, it should be C most of the cases. Users, now inside user you can see I have the temporary profile here. So we need to simply delete the temporary file here, temporary registry key. This is the temp profile, just right click and simply delete it. But if you don't have with the .bk here, only you have this one and that the SID number here. So you need to make sure that its profile path should be same, like this should not be the path here guys. Okay, this should be the let me show you, this should be the path here, the correct path of your username. Just double click on your username. Okay, and this is the path, this is the correct path. We need to copy the path here and we need to paste it here like this. Okay, but you need to do it only when you don't have the .bak. So this is our actual profile .bak. You can see here the profile path, profile image guys. So this is, I have copied from it. So as you can see, this is the correct path I have inside my. You need to identify the correct path of your user and then copy its path, and you need to paste it here if you don't have with the .bak file. But if I have, in my case, like .bak and other one similar to it, so this is a temp, we need to delete it. Simply delete it and hit yes option, and we need to rename the .bak with the backspace. Now this should be the correct profile, and make sure the state is 0 here. This one is the state. Double click on it and change its value to 0. And profile image path, I have already shown you the current user path. So go into this location and simply copy the path from there and simply paste into this value data. Okay, so once you have pasted here, guys, you have to restart your system now. And this is the path you can see. So now you have to restart the system and your issue is going to fix now. But if this option is not working, so we can create the another account with the admin rights. So simply open the C drive. Okay, right click, go to manage, and once we go to the manage, we can create the new user with the admin rights if the first option is not working for you. Go to users and double click on the administrator. If you don't have, enable this account. Okay, you can set the password if you want to set it like this. If you want to blank it, so click on OK. Let me type here the password, guys, once. Okay, but if you have already enabled the administrator account, you can create a new user here and make sure double click on its properties and go to members and add into the administrator account. Type here administrator and check names, and it will be added here. Okay, and click on apply, click on OK. So once you have added the new user, if first option is not working, so you can log in with your current account. Just sign out from your, and simply you can log in with your new user. Put the password and it will create the fresh user profile, and then you can copy and paste the profile, the data from there. But in my case, this should fix the issue. Let me restart the system. You have to restart the system after following the first method. So now you can see, guys, my issue has been fixed now. So I'm also pretty sure your issue is also fixed. So if your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.